Hey everyone, this is Foyaz Ahmed, and if you're someone who creates content using just your phone, this video is exactly for you. No matter how good your content is, without an eye-catching thumbnail, people might just scroll past it. So today, I'm sharing the top 3 thumbnail maker apps for mobile users, and we're counting them down in reverse order. Let's dive right in. At number 3, Pixelab. Now, this one's a classic. Many people know about it, but only a few actually realize how powerful it is. Pixelab lets you add text, shadows, image effects, all in just a few taps. And the best part? It works offline. No need to worry about data. Just open it up and start creating thumbnails like a pro. Coming in at number 2, Canva. Yup, you probably saw this one coming. Canva isn't just a design tool, it's basically magic for content creators. Their mobile version has come a long way. And those ready-made thumbnail templates? Absolute time savers. Even with the free version, you can design some really professional-looking thumbnails. It's clean, it's smooth, and it's made for creators like you and me. And at number 1, PicsArt. If you've got a little creativity, this app will blow your mind. You can blend images, remove backgrounds, use filters, add cool stickers. Pretty much everything. It's not just about thumbnails, it's about showing emotion and vibe through your visuals. Fun fact, even some top YouTubers still use PicsArt on their phones for thumbnails. Yep, it's that good. So what do you think? Which one of these 3 is your favorite thumbnail maker? Drop it in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. For more awesome content like this, stay connected with me, Foyaz Ahmed.